friends, today I thought I'll take some green leaves raw. I want to cook these leaves. These are mustard leaves, not yellow one. This is black mustard leaves. In Bengali we call as lai shak. Lai, we call it as lai. So this actually in my house we take it raw. Anyway, we can cook it also in oil. You can fry it, or you can make some other preparations, but I like this raw one. So it's very simple and very easy and faster. You can cook it just within like 2 to 3 minutes. It's not cooked, I mean, you can prepare it within 2 to 3 minutes. So let's start, friends. These leaves I have washed properly. If you are a little suspicious, you can wash with hot water, so that any insects or any dirt will be washed away. And these leaves are little tender ones, okay, and you see these are so fresh. So first of all, I'll take the leaves. I'll throw the stem portion. Okay. These leaves, you have to cut it, chop it properly, and as far as possible, very thin and very finely chop. Careful while chopping. You see, it's very finely chopped. I think you can see. Okay. Any green leaves, they contain lots of vitamin A, vitamin C, and fibers, iron, lots of good things. And you know, in my channel I cook always. I try to cook things in a way that its nutrition is kept properly. I mean, it's intact, and we don't spoil the nutrition. We don't just take some food with oil and lots of spices, which is harmful for our body. This is winter season in my place, and lots of good vegetables, cabbage, broccoli, then carrot, coriander leaves, all are available. So you can prepare salad. I'll show you salad later on. Today I'll take this, so I thought I'll make a video on this. Okay, so you can see how finely I've chopped this. Now again, a very simple preparation. You need don't worry for lots of spices and all. Now I'll take these leaves in a bowl. Okay, now I'll chop some green chilies. Chilies like you put according to your taste. I like chilies a lot, so I'm putting 4 chilies. These are not that hot. It will add flavor also. So if you just put some chilies which are not that much hot, it will give flavor to the now coriander leaves, chop it and add to this green leaves. If you are not that very particular about spices and oil, you can take like good food even without spice and oil also, then you must try this. Now we add salt. Depends on with what food, like with rice or with chapati or at salad you want to have. According to that you add salt. I will have with rice, hot rice or steamed rice, so I'm adding more salt. You can add a little less, and Add some olive oil if you are just taking egg salad. I'll take with rice, so I'm adding mustard oil. If you just take it as salad, then you can add sesame oil or some olive oil. Okay, 1 spoon of mustard oil. Now mix well. If you are taking with rice, just crush these leaves with hand. Okay, it's done. Now serve it.